Crazy and shocking habits of Bollywood actors. Tiger Shroff. Fitness freak Tiger Shroff is obsessed with martial arts and he practices different kinds of martial arts in his spare time. This actor is absolutely a gym freak too. Tiger has won millions of hearts by dancing because he is obsessed with dancing too. Akshay Kumar. Akshay is obsessed with nothing but his own action stunts in films. This actor is so much obsessed with adventurous sports that he never takes doubles for dangerous action stunts. Varun Dhawan. One of the talented actor Varun is addicted to fitness and dancing. He loves to spend a huge time in the gym. Kartik Aaryan. Bollywood's new heartthrob Kartik is obsessed with his beautiful hair. He is spotted frequently stroking his hair as he is obsessed with those. Shah Rukh Khan. King Khan is mad about new gadgets and he is also tech savvy. SRK loves to play video games during his spare time. Shah Rukh also loves to wear blue denim and has a crazy obsession with collecting denim from all over the world. He owns almost 1500 pairs of blue denim. Ranveer Singh. This energetic actor is obsessed with perfumes and he is also crazy about sanitizing his own house and things. According to the source, Ranveer uses almost one bottle of perfumes before he goes out for the shooting. Ranveer is also obsessed with sunglasses and leather jackets. He owns more than 50 jackets and sunglasses. Ayushmann Khurrana. This actor is very particular about his health and hygiene, and for this reason, he always carried his dental kit wherever he goes. Ranbir Kapoor. Except being a womanizer, Ranbir has other obsessions too, and this is quite shocking for all his fans. This stylish actor is addicted to heart emoji with his fingers for the paparazzi. Salman Khan. Our beloved Sallu Bhaijan is obsessed with good fragrances and perfumes. He is also crazy about soaps. His bathroom is stacked with many soaps and Salman uses more than one soap while taking the show. Shahid Kapoor. The new Kabir Singh is obsessed with nothing but white sneakers and he is crazy about them. Shahid has a separate room for only his white sneakers. He is also addicted to coffee and bikes. Ajay Devgan. Action stuntman Ajay is mad about cars and owns a huge collection of super luxurious cars. He admitted that he gifts her wife Kajol expensive cars just because he can drive it later. John Abraham. Hunky and handsome John is crazy about sports bikes. He has a huge collection of super bikes from companies like BMW, Ducati, Harley Davidson and many more. Sanjay Dutt. Sanju Baba is obsessed with tattoos and got inked many times. He has a tattoo of Lord Shiva along with a dragon breathing fire on his left shoulder. On the left side of his chest, he has inked his mother's name in Urdu and his father's name in Hindi. According to you, which Bollywood star has the craziest obsession? Write your thoughts in the comment section and please subscribe our channel for more updates.